We're at Elverum Station in the summer of 2022. The locomotive Caroline has just arrived with a heritage train and is heading up to the turntable by the roundhouse, where it will be turned and lubricated before making the return trip to Hamar. The locomotive shed in Elverum was built back in 1913. Caroline itself was built by Robert Stephenson in Newcastle, England in 1861. Today it is owned by the Norwegian Railway Museum and is used on special heritage train runs, usually based out of Hamar. At this time in 2022, the BM92 diesel multiple units were still in service on the Røros Line. Here we see one of them arriving from the north into Elverum Station. We also get a glimpse of the locomotive shed and the old workshops in Hamar as they looked in 2022. The roundhouse here was constructed in 1915.
Har det gått bra? Ja.
After being turned in Hamar, Caroline finishes up its duties for the day and is moved off the traverser to have its fire dropped.